dude, that was so easy! We got it so
down the slide.
all the water out. It gets trapped on the inside of the fabric out.
Take two.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be setting up the little Tikes water slide. So I have some tips for you on setup and how to store it. So. Super simple to set up, and I'll show you how to do it. So you plug your blower in and hook this thing up to the blower. One thing that I have to do every time actually, and if the power doesn't switch on the blower, is you come over and on this cord you push the reset button here, and I do that every time because if I don't, then it won't turn on. So you'll be good to go. It's got power, so you'll come over here and take the tie and tie it around the lip. And so the design of the arm here makes it so your electrical blower and the slide that has water in it have some distance for safety, and it's really cool. So we're going to turn it on. It inflates super fast, which is really cool. Have your anchor bag that you fill with water, and that allows your kids or people like me or my husband to go down the slide and enjoy it too without it falling over. So these are the hooks for the anchor right here. The hose, I like to make sure the hose isn't strapped under the anchor, so you want to make sure that's above that. So you hook that on here. It provides the counterweight, I think, whatever. So I just pull that like that and take the hose, bring it over time. I'm gonna keep it a little bit away from the electrical blower unit there. Allow the air to do the rest of the work, and I will also walk over to the water and switch it on, and then you're good to go. Oh yeah, and there's one more thing to close actually. Right over here we have another bowl for deflating that we are going to seal up so the slide stays airtight and have some fun. That was so easy! We got it. Test this out before I go get my kids. Let's go. Yeah, that's the other cool thing. It's fun even without water yet. Multi-purpose slide. Alright, look, have I got a surprise for you guys. Hang out till the end of the video and you'll see what happens. And it's, let's just say, blooper reel. Water slide. As you can see, it's starting to fill up with water, and basically you can use it right away. I'm gonna get you. I'm a monster. This is where the anchor bag comes in very handy because somebody like me who's a little bit bigger than a 4-year-old can actually use it and it won't fall over. Ready, set, let's go. decided to go to the water park or something. So I definitely feel like it was worth it. And we used it for Ashley's birthday, like originally planned, and all the little kids loved it. We had, let's see, 9 kids here, all ages like 1 to 4 or 5 years old was the oldest, and they loved it. It was super fun, and basically a super great investment for keeping your kids happy and busy in the summer, getting their water fun. And the other thing I absolutely love about it is when you're done with it, you just let it dry out and you put it away and have your yard back. So you have this awesome toy that you can use and have fun on, and then it just gets put away. And I actually have some tips on how to store it so it's not really old or anything like that. And the other thing, oh my god, so there's coffee that's actually like this. I like that it doesn't fill up too much. So my 1-year-old, she started playing on it when she was, she's not quite 1 yet, she's 1. So when she started playing in it, like 3 months ago I would say, so what is that? What? Math, 9 months, 12 months, like 9 months old, and when she was actually not walking yet, crawling, but she was pulling herself up on the side. Obviously, she needed to be supervised at all times, but it really doesn't fill up too much where it is super dangerous, and crawling out of it, they have fun, so I love it. And even my husband and I really enjoy it. We're adults, but we get it hard, and so is my husband, who I love him. He's awesome, super funny, super fun.
You can see it's amazing. Yeah! Fun in the pool! Fun in the pool! Splash our feet. Da, 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 da. Does Emily want to slide down? Obviously, if you start us with the little ones, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Emily, you're my precious. My precious. My precious. I'll protect you. With me. Let's slide down. I will save you. Do you like it? I like it. You want to slide down too? Oh, with me? Okay, let's go. You climb up, because you're big. And I'm a strong monster. And I can get you. I need you. And I'm a big monster. And we're going to slide down. Slide. just like that. Your baby's like, I'm on the move. I see a tomato. I see a tomato. Oh, well, we don't want you to eat any green tomatoes. We want to play in the water.
Guys, a couple tips on how to keep your little Tikes slide from getting any mold or mildew. So what you do is you are going to go over to your blower and switch it off. So we're going to go over here and switch it off, let all the water out, and then we're going to blow it up again so it blows any water that got trapped in the fabric out. He's dumping the water out. He's time to go down.
It's nap time, everybody.
So to keep it from molding, you want to dump all the water out and then re-blow it up so it gets all the water out and it gets trapped on the inside of the fabric out. As you can see here, hear that little sizzling? That's the water that's being pushed out by the blower. So this is actually a super important step if you want to enjoy your slide all summer or for many years. So I personally want to do that because I love it and I like to take care of my stuff. So this is the way to do that. So as you can hear that? That's the water. Oh yeah, you can even see it right there. That's the water coming out of the seams. And if that gets trapped in there, you're gonna have problems with mold. And I learned this actually by reading the product reviews, like as people were having problems with mold. I was like, I do not wanna have problems with mold. I wanna take care of my slide. So I paid good money for it. Oh yeah, right there too, yep. See all that water? That's where you blow it up. About an hour or two in the sun and you're good to go. I usually wipe off the bottom with a towel too to just make sure there's no moisture that could damage the slide, and I haven't had any problems with smell or moisture because of that. So that's one way to solve that problem that people have had. So alright, so thanks for watching, and if you like my video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Okay, hope to see you guys soon. So let me test this out before I get my kids.
Take two.